Hey there. So today's video is about forms on Android and how you can improve the UX using Focus. So first I'll show you what is Focus, then I'll explain. So you see here I have three boxes. I click one. Box 1 is in focus. Box 2 is in focus, and now box 3 is in focus. So focus is basically the box with edit text box which is currently active. So you must have noticed in forms, usually when you finish one field and you press enter, it moves to the next field. That doesn't happen by default on Android. When you press enter, it creates another line in your text box, edit text. So that doesn't give a good experience. So what the user has to do is come out and then click the second box, and again the keyboard pops up and you need to start typing. So today I'll show you how to shift between boxes quickly and also how to know the focus. So first we'll go to the focus part. I already have my code, but I'll do it again. I'll just do for one box. So first you need to find the edit text. I'll take box 1 and make it final because we'll be using it in inner class. Next, take your box et1 dot set on focus change listener. It has a method inside, but you don't need to know it by heart. So yeah, we have the prompt here on focus change listener. Whatever is the prompt, just put a new on focus change, and yes, it makes its own, creates its own definitions. So we need to put the workings. So there are two parameters on focus change: the view in which it changed and the boolean if it's actually having the focus or not. So that's quite obvious what it is. You really don't need to mug up anything. It's all in front of you. So if has focus, that is it is in focus. I'll make a toast. In focus. If not, use the second toast option. It creates everything for you. Out of focus. I'll run the code. It's ready. So box 2 out of focus and back to box 1 in focus. So that's how you can detect focus. Usually using Java only we could type something, press enter and go to the next. That is, you can detect and enter and then go to the next line by switching focus. You can switch focus by code using say et2.request focus. So what that does is it will shift your focus to et2. et2 is requesting focus. So that's one way of going about, say when you press enter and you want to move to the next column, that is switch focus. So but there's a really neat method which is available that goes in a single line. All you need to do is go to your XML, set this Android single line true. So that what that does is it only accepts one line, and say you press enter or new line, it takes you to the next edit text, immediate next edit text. So you can even see it here. Say I type hello. Oops. Hello, and I enter, it goes to the next box and it's out of focus. So that's a really neat method to go about it, but if you want really custom ones, you'll have to type your own code and put a listener on it. So I'll show you how to do that also. set1.set on key listener and see if the prompt is an on key listener. So new on key listener, and as usual it does all the work for you. It has a parameter called key event and int key code. So this is the important part. It will tell you which key has been pressed. So what do we need? We need the enter key. So we can do this. If key code equals key event dot key code enter, that is if enter has been pressed, then I want to change my focus. So this is set on et1, so I would like to go to et3 just to show you the customization ability. et3.request focus. I'll run my code. So it's ready. Text box 1. I'll type something. Hey there, and press enter, and see it has gone to text box 3. So that's how you can do custom shifts. If you don't do that, then XML will shift to the immediate next box in the hierarchy. So that's how it works, and you can really make UX good if you can automatically shift the lines on pressing enter rather than making the user go out and come back in. The keyboard goes in, comes back. That's really kind of, it's not pleasing. So we prefer this kind of a method. So thanks for watching.